Okay, welcome the new friends to enter our room. Just now I have introduced some of the products, and the new friends enter to our Weiyuan company. If you have orders, today we have beautiful products for you. The first one, this one is a tool. It's a tool for DENSO. If you give me orders, I can give one piece for you. Also, we have another present. This one, you can look at me. It's a beautiful T-shirt, and it's designed by our company. Also, if take me orders today, I can give you this T-shirt for you. You can choose. You can choose this or this. Just okay.